Is you talking to me? Because I wasn't listening. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about this hair that I just did. I just wanted to try something different for the weather, and I am in love. Can I repeat myself? I am in love. I don't even know how to sing, but whatever. You know, see, this is why it's good to try something different. Like, you never know how it's gonna turn out on you and how good it's gonna look on you, or how different it's gonna make you feel. Like that's really important, to try something different every now and then. Like, I haven't done a pixie short hair in like years. I think the last time I did one was in 2012, and now we're in 2018. Like, girl, are you joking? Tell me what you guys think about this wig. Like, does it look bomb on me or what? If you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because girl is about to turn up now. It's about that time of the season of the year, summertime. It's about to be litty. If you guys are interested in seeing vlogs, come with me. Let me know, comment down in the description below if you like this video as well. I'd really appreciate it. Yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.
So what you need, you'll be needing your mannequinette, of course, as per usual. And by the way, you'll be placing a plastic bag on top of it before you place on your wig cap. And you'll also be needing a scissors and a shear cutter, and most definitely you'll be needing your glue, and also you'll be needing your hair. And this is the hair I'm using. It's from Tara. I got this from the beauty supply store in Toronto. I guess this is mostly what they sell, so I just grabbed this. This is two-toned as well, and I got the shortest length in 2, 4, and 6. And as you guys can see, it's kind of like a color 30 and slightly color 27. I'll write down what exactly the color was, but I love how it looked like an highlight, like I highlighted the hair, so it's really pretty. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the glue. I didn't really show much of it because it's just and yeah, there are two ways you can do this. You can either apply the glue and stick it down straight up and use your blow dryer to dry it, which I don't prefer, or you apply the glue right at the beginning of the weft, right on top of the weft, and blow dry it for like 10 seconds and then stick it on. That way I find that sticks to the hair, and then just finish up with more blow drying. Yeah, I was just showing you guys the highlight and what it was gonna look like. So I just mixed those two colors together, and I just finished it up, and I ended up using the finishing of the hair to finish up the hair basically. And I didn't even sew it down. I just used the glue as well and just glued it down, you know, just to make my life easy, as this is my wig and you know I wasn't bugging. And funny enough, I've had this hair for a while now and nothing even came off. It's still intact, like it still looks good, like the glue didn't come out at all. So So now I am done installing the hair, and I'm gonna start shaping it / cutting it to the way I would like it to look. So I hope you enjoy watching it. And I'm just gonna use the shear. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but you know this eyebrow thing. It's not for eyebrows, it's for cutting hair as well. And I just used a little bit of scissors down at the bottom. And mind you guys, this is the first time I'm making like a pixie wig, so I made a few mistakes right at the bottom of the hair. You're meant to use like a longer hair just to like cover the nape of the back of your hair, but I didn't realize that until I was done. And I guess you guys could tell by the time I was showing the back of my hair that if I had used a longer length at the bottom, it would have covered up my back baby hair. But anyway, we live and learn. It's all about learning here, so I guess I learned from that. And I put the wig onto my head, and I just framed it to the way that I would like it to look on my face. And I guess I pretty much got a good style at the end of the day. I hope you guys liked it as much as I liked it, but yeah. And as you guys can see, I'm all done. I love the finished look. That's why I'm dancing. Like, I love what I did. I was like hyped. Yeah, this is me the next morning, ready to put on my wig and slay the day, honey. Yes, so got my wig on, got my makeup on flick, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, you all, and comment down below your thoughts you'd like to share. And make sure you like this video and share it on Facebook, share it on Instagram, do whatever, okay? Alright guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.